was just thinking about some of the interactions I've had with clients in the last, I want to say, few months, and talking about their investments. Now, I know this might sound like it's going to be a boring video, but it's not. I just want you to understand that there's so much that's coming at us every day in terms of numbers. We get bombarded with a bunch of people who claim they have the best rates of return, who claim they have the best fees, who claim they have the best service, right? And at the end of the day, I think you all need to know this. All of us are getting not just bombarded with information, but we're getting confused about what's important. I don't think anybody really talks about what we need as regular average people to be able to retire. Because all of us are saving for the same common goal. It's retirement. It's one day being able to stop working for money. And some of you guys are never gonna stop working because I have to work till I die because I have no money. Right? Do you know that for sure? Has someone actually said you're gonna have to keep working for the rest of your life? Or did you just think that? Right? I would encourage you to comment, share this video, and reach out to me because I would love to show you what you actually need for retirement. I'm going to tell you this. It may surprise you that it's within reach to be able to hit retirement. But you have to talk to somebody who knows what they're talking about. And I'm not gonna promise you the best rates of return. I'm not gonna promise you the best service. I'm not gonna promise you the lowest fees. I'm going to help you. I'm gonna help you understand what all those things can mean for you and then build you a plan so that you can reach them. And I think at the end of the day, if you can reach retirement with as less cost as possible, with as much return as possible, with the best service as possible, I think you'd be better off than just really doing nothing because you're confused. It's that financial independence dollar amount of money, which we call financial independence number, that you need to know first before you can even consider rates of return or consider fees, right? The time is now because all of us have a finite time to be able to do this. Tomorrow is one day closer to our demise. It's morbid to say it like that, but it's true. It's one day closer to retirement. So the sooner you talk to somebody who's willing to kind of put their best foot forward to help you and your individualized view of what retirement should be, the better off you're gonna be. And the cool thing is I will talk to anybody. I will what they need and show them what they need and then help them with what they need. I don't have a price point. I don't charge my clients. And I hope you take this video, you save it, so when you are ready, whether it's today, tomorrow, next week, next year, you remember me so that you feel comfortable to really just sit down with somebody who knows what you're going through and who can help you, guide you, and make you feel at ease with what's going on. Have an awesome day. I got you all.